At SIOY, we're looking for any project, big or small. You can enter the competition, you can receive up to $400 in funding to build it, and you can compete for the prize money as well. Any project has a shot at it. It's all about the effort you put into it and how you present your idea. So our goals within SIOY is to further engineering, further innovation, but also to help the students here at BYU to really progress and to gain some crucial skills when it comes to engineering and to innovation. So the competition actually started in 2010. It was started by a couple of roommates. They just wanted anyone with any invention or any idea to come and compete and show what they had. So the College of Engineering took it over a few years ago, and since then the competition has gotten a lot more funding and also just blown up a bit. So the competition starts off, we open the application at the end of winter semester in April every year. And over the summer, we like students to have the opportunity to work on their projects, to develop their ideas, and to apply to the competition. So by the time we come back to school in the fall, we have our first event. It's called Kickoff. At this event, we talk about the competition. We explain to everyone what the competition is, what our goals are, what we're looking for, and also what they can expect from competing in the competition. By this point, the application has been open for a few months already, and this is where we really start to see an uptick in interest and in applications to the competition. The competition is looking for three main points in the projects that we see. We want to look for engineering, innovation, and impact. Those three categories make up the scores of those who compete. By focusing on those three scores, we see competitors do really well in the competition. Competitors compete for a total of $50,000 in prize money. This money is divided up between 7 finalists as well as some other competitors who stood out during the preliminary competition. After kickoff, we have a few more events. We have an intellectual property information session. This is to really help students to understand what they need to do to be able to protect their ideas and to move their projects along. The application deadline is in November, and with the application, students can apply for up to $400 in funding. This funding is used for them to build their prototypes and to develop their project. The application and the competition is open to any BYU student. So we really like to see interdisciplinary teams. We want to see teams that are working together, bringing together a bunch of different skills, perspectives, and ideas to make a successful project. After the application closes, we have a speed mentoring event. This event, we bring in some BYU alumni and other industry professionals from our Mentor Alliance. It's kind of like a science fair. Students set up a little booth and they show the mentors what their ideas are, what they're really about. The mentors give them feedback, help them figure out if they need to take their project in a different direction or what changes they need to make their project significant or small.
I like it sometimes when they tear our idea down or they say, hey, this doesn't work, you cannot do this, because it really helps us learn, oh wait, yeah, actually, like, we can adapt it here, change it, and that's the whole purpose of the human mind.
I was nervous before, but I feel like now that I've talked to a few different people, it's been pretty chill. A lot of the mentors are really nice, and they just really want to help us out.
Fall semester ends, we break for winter break, and we come back in the winter. And this is when the competition really starts to pick up. We have a showcase event in the middle of February. This event is the preliminary competition. So similar to speed mentoring, competitors show up, they have booths set up to display their projects, and this is open to the public and to judges. The judges are again from our Mentor Alliance network, industry professionals, BYU alumni, people in the area who have experience with engineering, with innovation, and with business. And when these judges come in, like I said before, they're really looking at the engineering, innovation, and impact that this project has. So by addressing these three key points, teams can really make an impression on the judges and do well in the competition.
To be honest, I was not a little bit nervous. I was a little bit, but after that, it was really fun to convey what we are doing and everything. So people were really interested.
It's been a really good experience. Whatever happens, I'm okay with it either way.
After Showcase, we move on to finals. At Showcase, we have picked 7 finalists from around 50 teams, depends on the year. And these 7 finalists compete for almost $50,000 in prize money.
We are feeling cautiously optimistic about our chances of winning this competition. One of the best lessons that I've been reminded is that no effort is wasted. There were many teams in the beginning that had great products that weren't selected, but they're still having an impact. Our effort is not wasted, that even if we don't win. So I think that's one thing I've learned as we've made it that far.
Each finalist gets $4,000 for competing in finals, and there are additional prizes for first, second, and third place, as well as crowd favorite. This event is a really high energy event. We have an MC, who really gets the crowd going, gets things going, exciting. There's the lights, the music, everything. It's a really big production. Each team has 4 minutes to present their idea and 3 minutes to talk to the judges. These judges come from different backgrounds across industry and all have experience in engineering and innovation and business. At the finals event, we pick the winner and they become the Student Innovator of the Year.